Next register is the flag register. Flag register is also 16-bit registers. So it is having a 9 active flags. Flag register uh, indicates some condition produced by the execution of the instruction, and it controls the operation of the processor. So as its flag register is having a 9 active flags, there are 6 status flags and 3 control flags. So these status flags are used to indicate the some condition produced by the execution of instruction, and the control flags TF, IF and DF are used to control the operation of the processor. So this is the diagram of flag register. First of all, we will see the status flags. In this, the first flag is carry flag. The carry flag is set carry flag is set if there is carry from the MSB. If there is carry from MSB, then carry flag is 1, otherwise carry flag is 0. Then next flag is parity flag. Parity flag means PF. In the result, if there are even number of ones, then the parity flag is 1 for even number of ones, and if there are odd number of ones in the result, then the parity flag is 0. So parity flag is depend on the number of ones in the result. Next is auxiliary flag, auxiliary carry flag. So we know the bits are from D0 to D7. D0 to D3 is lower nibble, D4 to D7 is higher nibble. So if there is a carry from D3 bit to D4 bit, then at that time your auxiliary carry flag is 1. Means if there is carry from lower nibble to the higher nibble, then at that time the AF flag is 1, otherwise it is 0. 0 flag is 1 if the whole result is 0. Okay. Then sign flag is 1 if the result is negative. Result is negative if the MSB bit of the result is 1. If the result is negative, if the MSB bit of the result is 1, then your sign flag is 1, otherwise it is 0. Then overflow flag. The overflow flag is set if there is carry into MSB and no carry out of MSB, and vice versa, means there is no carry into MSB and carry from MSB, then in that case our overflow flag is 1, otherwise overflow flag is 0. So these are the status flag: carry flag, sign flag, 0 flag, parity flag, auxiliary carry flag and overflow flag. Overflow flag I will explain again. If there is carry into MSB, no carry out of MSB, and if there is no carry into MSB and carry from MSB, in that case OF is 1, otherwise it is 0. Next control flags are trap flag, interrupt flag, direction flag. So trap flag is used for the single stepping. So what is single stepping? Single stepping means execute one instruction, then check the contents of all the registers and memory location. If they are correct, then execute the next instruction. Means here only one instruction is executed, and after one instruction all the contents of registers and memory location are checked. If they are correct, then only it executes the next instruction. That is called as the single stepping. Trap flag is used for the single stepping. When trap flag is 1, then 8086 is operated single stepping. Then IF, that is interrupt flag. So this is 1. It is, if the IF flag is 1, it enables all the interrupts, or it recognizes all the interrupts which are given to the processor. If it is 0, means it disables all the interrupts. Then direction flag DF, it is used for the string operation. If DF is 0, then it operates in the reverse order. If DF is 1, then it operates in the forward direction. So that is the direction flag which is used for the string processing. Okay, so this is the flag register. Thank you.